In this video, we will learn about vectors, which are also called as dynamic arrays. So, first we know how to declare a vector. So, to declare a vector, first we will write vector, then we will write a data type. Like I want to declare an integer data type, so here I will write int, and then we will write the vector name as v. Then, to insert value in vector, I have to use a pushback operation to do this. So here I will write v dot pushback. Suppose I am inserting 3, so I will write 3. Here v is the name of the vector. The name of the vector can be a also, b also, c also, d also, or a b c, y, x y z, etc. So suppose I am inserting 3 values, 3, 2 and 5. Now what we will do is, we have inserted all the values to our vector. Now we will print these values. So we can access the variable of vector a as 3, 2 and 5. So we can also access the values by using index, like 3 is stored in index 0, 2 is stored in index 1 and 5 is stored as index 2. So we can also use that. So here I will write cout a at 0, a at 1 and a at 2. Now what I will do is I will print this. Here we are getting 3, 2 and 5. So what we was expecting. Now what we will do is we will print these values using a for loop. So to do this, first I will make a loop v dot size. So here v dot size declares the size of the vector. So first let me show what is v dot size. Suppose our vector name is a, so here I will write a dot size, and here and l. The size of our vector was 3, so here we are getting the output 3 for a dot size. Now we will move to our for loop. So our for loop will run from 0 to 3. Now I will print vector at index I. Here I will write and l, so the output are on sequential order. Now I will print the output. So this was our expected output, 3, 2 and 5. Now we will iterate the array, the vector, through for each loop. What we will do is, first we will declare an iterator name auto, let it be ab, and here let it be a, or let it be v. Now we are, here v is our iterator and we are iterating through vector a. Now what we will do here is, we will print all the elements present in our vector using for each loop. So here we are getting 3, 2 and 5, which was our expected output. Now what we will do here is, we can also declare our vector, like first we have declared our vector and its type. Now you can also declare vector like this, 1, 2, 3. Now we had 2. Now we can also print our vector like this and declare a vector like this. So our vector was name v. So here we are getting 1, 2 and 3, which was our expected output. Now we will see what is v dot pushback. So suppose here I write v dot pushback to. Now suppose I am writing here is v dot pushback 2 and v dot pushback 3. So our vector will look like 2 and 3. Our vector has is like this 2, 3 and 4. So suppose I want to access the back element which is 4. So I can access it using vector dot back. So suppose I want to print the last element inserted which is at the back side of the vector. We will write here v dot back. Now we will get here the output as 4, which was our expected output since 4 is at the back of the vector. Suppose I want to remove the back element of the vector. Here I will write v dot pop back, and now after this I will try to access the back element of our vector. So I should get 3 as the back element of the vector. So 3 was our expected output. Now suppose I want to declare a vector v of size 10 having all the 10 index as 5. So I can write like this. This indicates the size and this indicates the value. So all the 10 index will have value 5 like this. So let's run a loop to print all the values. Cout v at index I. And here we will write NL for printing it in sequential order. So since here we are getting all the 10 index as a 5, so this was also a way to declare all the elements with a single value.